You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the nurse joy away. Ha! Hey guys, Dimension Gamer 2.0, along with Anthony here, bringing you more Pokemon Snap. And this time we are bringing you more Pokemon Snap. I think I said that in the intro last time and didn't realize it.
Yeah.
We're bringing you more of the first episode. Alrighty, Anthony's got the controller now and he's ready to go back to the tunnel.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh,
Yeah, see, like I said, I feel like it moves a lot faster than I remember.
yeah.
He doesn't play games all too often, guys. We gotta be a little patient with him.
I live on a farm.
I'm sure if we were on Farming Simulator, he'd be,
I'd be better than you would right now, probably.
he'd be full of knowledge. Something else we've decided to do is, we're gonna try to get 2,500 points per Pokemon. We'll mostly focus on this at the end, but it's just a little goal that we decided to make for ourselves. That Magikarp is coming up, it will be on your right.
Yeah, I see.
We had to come back here, but there's a Pokemon we missed, or I missed.
It'll be like right over here.
Yeah. There is a couple of other Pokemon for us to get here, but we're not able to get them at this current time. Actually, we might have been able to get that. There it is, that egg to hatch.
Oh, I pushed the wrong button.
That's okay. It's not like Magikarp appears in like every stage except the first and last. So
I got that one.
Diglett! Keep taking pictures. Keep taking pictures. Pikachu's getting closer and closer. Get ready. Get ready. Take another picture of Diglett. I think we have to keep getting the photos of Diglett there. I think if we miss them, we miss our chance for the next Pokemon.
Yeah.
There's that Electrode. You need to hit that with an apple.
That one over here?
Yeah.
Apple.
Yeah. A. Aim up a little bit. Just keep smashing the A button. Aim up. You get a little bit more distance when you do that. There you go, you hit him.
Did I get it?
Yeah, you got it.
I thought I got it.
Whoa. Another path.
Oh no.
Took 16 pictures.
Now I gotta go to
To hit A.
A.
Go over. Oh. A. Sorry. Alright.
No, you hit A.
Yeah, click A. And then if you scroll over, it will just show us our Electrode pictures. Really? That counted for Electrode and not Electabuzz?
Okay.
Wow. I guess you could say you could try that one.
Okay, so Z.
Just hit A. There you go. Okay, now go up to another Pokemon. And scroll left and right, and let's look at your photos. That's behind. That might be our best one. Go back to the left. There's a Diglett.
Looks like he's hugging.
He kind of does.
It's either this one or this one. What do you think?
Go with the one where it looks like he's hugging.
Just to see what he thinks.
Yeah. Wait, are you back on the Diglett?
I don't know.
What'd you do? Alright, go. Just keep going right. Okay. Keep it.
B.
Go more to the left. There's a couple there. On the right. No, not the electric. Hit B. Go left. Right there. The ones on the right.
This one.
Yeah, the ones that are lit up. If they're dark enemies, we've already picked that Pokemon. Oh my god, that counted for Magikarp. How did that count? Well, I mean, go ahead and use it. I mean, it's the only one of them you got. And then go ahead and take the only one for Electabuzz. Alright, now hit B. And go down to Professor Oak.
Yes.
What's new this time?
I push A.
Yeah. What's new? You're not gonna find out. Alrighty, Electabuzz. The size is...
19.
Mine was a little better.
Oh. 10.
10 points.
You were close.
Which picture are you going to save?
Obviously mine. We want to save the higher point one.
Which one is the first one, right?
The last time, yeah. That's a great shot, by the way, man. You can't even see it in the
60
photo.
points.
You see it's like fin, that's it.
You were close.
That is amazing. It would be better if the Pokemon was more in the shot.
Yeah. Pikachu.
I don't think there was a sensitivity
You were
thing in
close.
the options menu.
Yours?
Yeah. Whichever one is higher is the one we'll save.
Diglett.
Diglett is just quite the Pokemon to take a photo of, apparently.
Uh-huh.
You were close.
Yours.
I will say, this game definitely feels like it moves a lot, like, the zooming in, like, adjusting, like, how you're facing. The camera!
Yeah.
Definitely moves a lot faster than what I remember.
The camera's
Or what you would expect. Wonder if it'll be like that in the in Pokemon Snap 2 coming out for Switch.
I got it.
Oh, it exploded!
Wait.
Because it exploded.
You beat me in pose. But it's okay. We mostly just came here for the to go to the next level.
Yours, right?
Yeah. Today's trip in Pokemon Report. Wait, Tigger! Let's return to the lab.
Well,
Welcome back. Tigger, you found a split in the path. According to my research, that split should link to a new course. I've also made a link from my lab. You should go right away.
Volcano.
The boiling magma here makes this place very hot. I'm sweating already.
Let's go find out.
Yes.
Alright, try to take as many photos as you can. There's 9 new Pokemon here for us. Like that. That's an apple. Photo. There's one right there. There's one right there. Take a photo. Take a photo. No. Oh, there's another Pokemon. Take a picture of it.
Wait.
Right there. The Vulpix. Go down. No. Oh, we got its butt. oh, there's another. Where are you looking? That's its butt. Stop taking pictures of Vulpix's butt. There's Magmar. We can get a little closer first. Oh, and a Charmander. Take photos. Why aren't you taking photos? Wait till we get closer, and then we get closer, and you don't move.
I got them both. Oh.
Okay, we've been stopped. Just let Charmander. Don't do anything yet with that egg. Don't do anything with it. Do not hit it. Look on the Charmander. Now, that's a good photo. Get him in the middle. There you go. Get some good photos. If you want, watch them for a minute.
Always looking right at me.
That's a good one. Oh, now! Oh! Maybe I'll do. Evil there. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Look around you. Look on the other side, see if there's anything over there. I'm gonna guess not. Alright, look at the egg, hit A, and get ready to take photos. I can tell you'll probably want to look up. Get that. It's a Moltres! Good one on Magmar. Nice, dude.
Thank you.
Nice. Maybe fire types are your type of Pokemon. Ooh, get that. That's a Charmeleon.
We get closer to it. Unless it wants to walk away from it.
No, it's gonna walk in a circle. Alright, get a photo. Alright. You've got that. Now get ready. Try to hit it into that pit with an apple. You'll have to wait till it circles back around.
Eat the apple.
Now, fire apple.
Alien.
Oh, oh, so close. Oh, go ahead and get some pictures of it, I guess. Not bad. You did get some good ones there. That Charmander was awesome.
Yeah. I took a lot of pictures that time.
Don't be afraid to spam the button a little bit.
Alright.
We've got plenty of pictures.
45.
Plenty of film. We got plenty of film. Alrighty. Okay, so the Rapidash did count. Unless I see the name, I'm going to assume it didn't count.
Well, we got 2 to take from me.
Go with that one because there's 2. We might get a little more for that. What did you... Oh, the Vulpix. Vulpix butt. Go with that one. They're a little closer, and there's 2 of them. Okay, Charmander. We already have a good idea of what we want for Charmander, so keep scrolling. There's that, but keep scrolling. I would say that one or the one before it. Whichever one you like better.
I think I like this one better.
Yeah. Moltres. That's kind of nice.
Let's see what we got. I'm gonna take that one.
Like, at a moment like that, that is a good time to spam some pictures.
Alright.
It looks like it's ready to kiss. Charmeleon. I know you got some that were closer. Oh, that's a good one.
That's the last one I got.
Yeah, go ahead and take that. Now scroll to the left, make sure we didn't miss anyone.
I'm not thinking that.
Doesn't look like it. Okay, so we're good. We just want to make sure that we didn't miss. So go ahead and hit B, and then go to Professor Oak.
Yes.
Rapidash!
See the size.
Size is 160.
You were close.
We're close. It'd be better if more of the Pokemon were in the shot. Hey, it's leaving from the left side of the frame and entering from the right, Professor Oak. That is technique.
Yeah.
Size 350. I feel like you'll get points because there's 2 in this one. 1,000. Nice. I guess maybe because there, you know, there's like 2 of them going right to each other.
Yeah.
You like got like a whisker in the middle, and it's like, that's in the middle.
Wow.
Wow, there are other Vulpix in this picture. I'll give you an extra 200. Well, you definitely got Vulpix past 2,500. Nice.
29.
Nice work, dude.
Charmander. Thank you.
Now, this one I think is probably your best. 440. Figured we'd done more than that.
2,000.
Nice. The technique. Oh, this Pokemon is right in the middle of the frame.
Wonderful.
Nice, nice.
This one might be a good one.
The legendary Pokemon Moltres. What's the size? 670.
650 or 70.
Do you know your numbers?
Yeah.
Oh. What a wonderful poke. Wow, that's a lot of points. Right in the middle of the frame, double slip.
Wonderful.
Nice. You just beat my Butterfree.
Yeah, I did. Uh-oh.
The Kissing Magmar.
650. 800.
Right in the middle of the frame, double. Nice. 2,900. You got some good ones, dude.
Yeah, I did. Well, this one will be a good one, maybe.
Yeah, this one should be decent.
350.
Oh, I thought you would have at least gotten 400 for that.
1,000.
Nice, nice. Technique is right in the middle of the frame. He's going to double it, so 2,700.
That's a good one. I got past 2,500 on all of them but one.
Which was the Rapidash, right?
Mm-hmm.
You'll find out what the next course is if you take 2 more Pokemon pictures. All right.
Welcome back.
Well, we're about at the 20-minute mark. I'd say that's a good place to stop. Yeah, you did really good there on the volcano stage. I think once you got... I think you were thrown off the first time by how fast the controls were.
Yeah, this one here was like to look straight up and down real fast. This one here you can move it around real easy and it'd go with the camera a lot easier.
Maybe before your next video, we'll I'll let you just play around for a bit and we'll kind of get used to the controls.
Yeah.
So we'll probably do that next time. I take back the camera and I'm gonna get 2 Pokemon that we have missed. See you guys then.